Bitcoin bull rally continues. A promising October is here, and we're back in the green, baby. We're back in the green. So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not financial advice. Please watch this video till the end. This is your friend Plan FOMO, and in this video we're gonna take a look at what is going on with the Bitcoin and Ethereum with our two big boys. So as I said, we're back in the green, and maybe October could play out. We'll see how long it will last. So let's just go straight into our charts. Let me just quickly delete that. We're back in the green. Everything is green. October is green. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. What the hell is that? Nero's up by 639%. This is crazy. So let's jump straight into our charts. Let's see how our big boys are doing. So if you remember my previous video, of course this video is going to be like just a quick overview what is going on with Bitcoin, what our charts are telling us. So if you remember my previous video, I was telling you guys keep an eye on this ascending trend line, and I was like, I don't know, it was now since I make my last YouTube video, it was like 10 days, because I wanted for the market to settle down a little bit, to form something for us, and all the calls on altcoins and the Bitcoin with Ethereum was already made in my Telegram group and in my YouTube videos. So if you watched it, so congratulations if you took action. But I told you guys to keep an eye on this ascending trend line that acts as a support, because there is a probability for us to see a breakdown and a drawdown. So of course, where's my Fibonacci? My Fibonacci levels was at around here. If this is our swing high and this is our swing low, I was expecting, I mean from here, I was expecting a pullback. I mean, not a pullback, but still I was expecting the price to climb to the upside, retest that golden zone and the discounted zone, of course, golden zone, discounted zone, and there's a movement to the downside by around, let's just say, where's my, by around like from here to here, by around like 8 to 9%. So you have plenty of room for your short position. So if you took a short, so congratulations. But still, my expectation was to retest this trend line, this ascending trend line that is far away, but still we didn't saw that retest, but still respected the mid-range. That's always like telling you guys, always keep an eye also on the mid-range, because also can act as a support and resistance. Like here resistance, breakdown, support, and then we respected this. It's just like double bottom pattern, and of course retested the mid-range, boom, push the price to the upside from the double bottom pattern, play out perfectly. And of course, also talking about this little one, this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. I mean, perfectly after multiple touches we form, as I said in my previous video, this descending trend line that acts as support, and after a breakdown we see clean breakout to the upside, not a breakdown, breakout to the upside, and retested the top of this channel, and now we're getting rejected again. So where Bitcoin can go from here? So after changing the whole character, if you're like using standard technical analysis, still we're creating higher lows, higher highs, and the Bitcoin is still in this bullish momentum. So I'm expecting a movement to the downside right now, a pullback, and retest this, you can call it a fair value gap. This technical analysis for bulls. We're gonna talk about the bearish scenario as well, because when there's a bullish scenario, there was always a bearish scenario. You have to prepare mentally for both plans. I mean, you have to have both plans. So a pullback, retest inside this like fair value gap or the demand zone, and then push the price towards the upside, clean breakout through this, finally clean breakout through this descending channel, and start retesting the previous all-time highs together with my Fibonacci. Like, I don't know, my main goal was to see like $76,000 per Bitcoin if this scenario would play out. But still, when there's a bearish scenario, when there's a bullish scenario, there's a bearish scenario. So let me just quickly delete that. Always when the market is forming me something, I'm always like dragging ass of those. Let me just delete that as well. I'm dragging the ass of those trend lines and trying to connect more dots. So when there's a bullish scenario, there's a bearish scenario. So this trend line, 1, 2, 3, let's just say that it has multiple touches. So I'm expecting a pullback right now. By seeing multiple times when we tested this top of this channel, we were expecting a pullback. So if we're gonna see pullback again, the drawdown, my expectations are start retesting this ascending trend line that acts as a support at around $62,000. If we're gonna see another breakdown, another trend line could be retested to this one is a big one based on the weekly time frame. So my expectations are start retesting if we're going to see a drawdown, retesting those two trend lines. So these spider webs would be my next target points if you're a bear. If you're a bear and try to short the tops, so this is my bearish scenario for you. Of course, for me to be bull, I mean for the bullish scenario, I would like to see a retest. I mean the price goes inside this fair value gap, tiny stop losses, and then follow my plan. Of course, I'm not gonna take a long position or short position on the Bitcoin because we have in my Telegram group, we have plenty. I'm posting like every single time plenty of good altcoins with the like perfect, I mean beautiful market structures that could be executed. So I'm focusing on those because I'm not confident enough like starting to long from these levels because let's just say we're still at our all-time high territory, so my confidence level are super low. I'm still gonna try to focus more on altcoins, and that's why I don't know, abandoned gold, because gold is at all-time highs, and whenever I'm posting a technical analysis that I'm planning to short, everything goes south. So gold is like creating that bullish momentum. Of course the gold is like a different story. Gold is like creating that bullish momentum, always goes to the upside. So where is the top? No one knows, because of course of all the situation in the world, the gold, everyone's buying gold, the war and stuff, so gold keeps pumping. But still, our job is to make money, so it doesn't matter if you're trading gold, crypto, whatever, our job is to make money. So yeah, keep an eye on this two trend lines that could be our next target points if we're gonna see a rejection again, like we saw multiple, like not multiple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times in a row whenever the price is reaching the top of this channel, we're seeing a pullback. But still, being a bull is okay because we're bullish and a lot of people are expecting that October. So if this October scenarios play out, so that would be a perfect place where I would like, if I were you, opening a long buy position. Who knows? Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Maybe I will open a long position, but not around this level. Not around here. I don't care if the price is gonna, I mean, if we're gonna see a clean breakout right now and then gonna push the price towards that. I don't care. I need normal levels. I want to see those retests, and then my confidence level are super high, and then I can start opening my long positions after those pullbacks inside those demand or fair value gap zones. So yeah, like trend lines work. Beautiful trend line, descending trend, resistance, support. So I'm keeping my eyes on those spider webs. You can call however you want, trend lines, spider webs, whatever. So yeah, let's jump straight into Ethereum. What is up with Ethereum? All right, we're gonna talk about more simple technical analysis, and then gonna take a look on more advanced. And of course, let's jump into more advanced, because if you remember my previous video, I told you guys that those arrows, these two, were at around here. So I'm expecting a pullback at around here because we have a supply zone at these levels. And yeah, the bear scenario play out. Bear scenario play out perfectly, as I told you guys. So also a double bottom pattern that was formed at the bottom of this ascending channel, and I'm navigating myself inside this channel right now on Ethereum because I'm a bullish on Ethereum. Of course, a lot of people are bearish based on what is going on with the Ethereum project and the gas fees. Of course, there's a lot of rumors on Twitter, so don't mind that. Still looking at the charts. Charts for me are always telling it true. So right, looking for a more simple way to analyze Ethereum. Ethereum, after this drawdown, right now is squeezing and compressing inside this symmetrical triangle pattern. As always, when there's a bullish scenario, there's a bearish scenario. My expectations are the price gets inside this impulsive movement. at around here, maybe a fake out, whatever, and the clean breakout and start retesting this beautiful key level. Why is it beautiful? Because this is the place where the price was respected the most. Beautiful resistance zone. At once it was our support, so I'm expecting at some point a retest at around this key level. But still, when there's a bullish scenario, there is a bearish scenario. We can see, of course, you know the traditional market structure. If the price is going down right now, it's like forming something, a bear flag, or like ascending, I don't know, channel flag, boom, another drawdown. So still a bearish scenario is on the table. We can start seeing a movement to the downside and retest again this strong support. The strong support between 2.2 and 2.1-ish thousand dollars per Ethereum. So these are my expectations. But if I'm taking more details, if I'm gonna start looking on Ethereum's having more details at around this, well, let's just say advanced market structure, I mean the technical analysis, of course Ethereum is also inside this, let's just say, descending channel. It was, and after a break, yeah, they're compressing inside this, I don't know, symmetrical triangle pattern. And yeah, if this ascending channel is valid, and I believe so, it's valid because it respected multiple times those levels from the previous highs to our lows. This ascending channel is valid, and right now the price is squeezing between this trend line and the mid-range of this ascending channel. So my expectations are right now, I want to see a breakout to the upside on Ethereum. Then a breakout, the change, you can call it however you want, the change of character from the previous high, some kind of pullback inside, yeah, another demand zone, and start retesting those, let's just say $3,000 per coin. So these are my expectations if we're going to see clean breakout to the upside between this descending trend line and this ascending channel's mid-range. So these are my technical analysis, but of course another bearish scenario, the same one, could play out as well. If we're gonna get rejected again, so these discounted and golden zone on the Fibonacci levels could be retested again. So yeah, we'll see. So if we're gonna see a pullback, I'm definitely going to start longing Ethereum, because you know in my group I'm always sharing when I'm longing something, so you know that I'm longing Ethereum, and I'm always looking for those long opportunities. Because why we're bullish? Because we want the history repeat itself. So if the history will repeat itself, I have to take a look at those long positions, because it is like what? We have like 2-3 months till the end of this year. So comparing with the previous cycles, we're always like tapping out at those after the new year. So we have like plenty of room to go to the upside. We'll see. No promises. I mean, these technical analysis on Ethereum and Bitcoin right now is prepared for day traders. For the long-term investors, my advice is a dollar cost average. Only if you believe in this technology, only if you believe in the Bitcoin as a digital gold, or if you believe in Ethereum as I don't know, the second one, the second big boy in the market. So if you believe in those project dollar cost average, don't go all in. I mean, I don't know how much you can afford to lose, but whatever. So these are my advice. Should I buy, for example, Bitcoin at around those levels, as I posted on my Telegram group? No. Because why? Because we're we are at those all-time high territories. Maybe it's over. No one knows that. Maybe it's over. The bull rally is over. That's it. No one knows that. So we're only taking those swings for the short term. I mean, with our stop losses, taking trades with leverage. But I would buy like a Bitcoin right now? No. Why? Because I believe that there's better projects to get the better returns on it, and there are plenty of projects that I'm posting that has a solid and beautiful market structure that could be executed with a small leverage on spot, or for those who are crazy enough, they can start longing when I'm posting something that trading calls, they can start longing with, I don't know, 50, 60, 100x leverage. This is on them. I don't care. So because yeah, a lot of people are sending me last week their results that they did good from my trading calls, but they're using like insane amount of leverage. I mean, like 25x leverage, 50x leverage, and my trading setup is I'm just sharing what I'm doing, and what I'm doing, I don't use this that much leverage. So yeah, should I buy Bitcoin at around those levels? If you want, you can, but would I do that? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I would definitely buy some more Ethereum because it didn't reach its all-time highs, and I'm a believer in Ethereum, so I'm investing in what I believe. So I'm putting my my money where my mouth is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the technical analysis on Ethereum. More simple ones, squeezing, compressing inside this triangle pattern. And yeah, you can navigate based on those technical analysis. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. The next video definitely gonna be a live video. Definitely gonna be a live video. You can comment down below about what topics I should prepare in my live video. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one, in the next live video. So yeah, peace out, stay safe, don't be greedy, bye bye.